Luxury guest rooms, gourmet cuisine, and dazzling beaches are just a few of the features worth mentioning at the best Caribbean resorts. It's reassuring to know your stay is fully packed with food, drinks, and numerous activities without extra costs. What are the top 7 resorts in the Caribbean for the best vacation experience? Resorts in the Caribbean cater to every sort of visitor. Whether you want to unplug from the daily grind or sign up for a packed program of tropical activities, you can go to a private island, retreat to an adults-only paradise, or enjoy a fun-filled vacation with your family. Resorts in the Caribbean have it all. The details on the top resorts in the world are available on this channel. So if you're interested in learning more, go no further. Subscribe to our channel and you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. For today, we've selected 7 of our favorite resorts in the Caribbean. Number 7. Ladera Resort, St. Lucia. First, we have an eco-lodge resort built on a former cocoa plantation farm. The Ladera Resort features Caribbean wood, local stone, and terracotta tiles. Situated on a forested mountain ridge overlooking the Pittons and the Caribbean Sea, it's a peaceful and beautiful garden setting. The resort's rustic suites have private plunge pools and unobstructed views of the surrounding mountains. You can take a dip in the mineral pools at Kai Pose Spa or get a volcanic stone massage. Sugar Beach is just 5 minutes away using the free shuttle service the resort provides. Resorts couldn't get any grander at a beach location, and there's none better than Dorado Beach's Ritz-Carlton Reserve, which is coming up soon, so stay tuned. At the Ladera Resort, you'll find no televisions or phones in your room. To make things even better, no children under 17 are allowed. It's just business, if you catch my drift. So, if you're a hot couple looking to get away from it all, this is the place to be. Number 6. Secret Bay, Dominica. Next, Dominica's all-villa hotel is nestled into a beautiful hillside, providing guests with a haven of solitude. In fact, the Caribbean nation is known as the natural island because of its abundance of wildlife. The details of the Secret Bay resort differ from one villa to the next. Still, they all have Guyanese greenheart interiors and flooring, Dominican redwood bedroom furniture, open decks, and private pools with 180-degree views of Dominica's mountain peaks and the Caribbean Sea.
Wow, exquisite bed, exquisite.
Concierge services at Secret Bay Resort help you plan unique vacations, even if you're not ready to give up your castaway fancies. Hiking in the rainforests or taking a sunset cruise down the island's west coast are just some of the resort's activities you can look forward to. Number 5. Manapany, St. Barts. Now, Manapany, with its airy, whitewashed rooms, overwater restaurant, and superb location on Anse des Cayes Bay, is one of the Caribbean's top resorts, located just 5 minutes from the airport in Bay of St. Jean. Immediately following the 2017 hurricanes, the resort put a fresh emphasis on sustainability, with solar panels providing much of the power, an effort to reduce the use of chemicals, and only electric automobiles allowed through its gates as well. The 2017 storms were shockingly devastating. However, Caribbean resorts have fared even better than before since then. Coming up soon is another resort that has survived the 2017 storms, Le Barthélemy Hotel and Spa. Don't miss out. We know we are all grateful that the unfortunate natural disaster is history, so don't forget to give a thumbs up in appreciation of the efforts made to bounce back. Number 4. St. Martin's Belmond, La Samanna. Also, the Belmond La Samanna on St. Martin's exquisite golden sand beach is a glittering resort renowned for the world's jet set. At the end of 2018, the resort's 83 guest rooms and suites, 8 villas, and public areas were given a retro chic makeover with seashell-inspired fabrics and furniture, ocean views, at L'Occitane bath products, and big beds with fresh white linens are standard in all of the resort's rooms.
Amazing!
The resort is in one of the wealthiest parts of St. Martin, which makes it easy for guests to walk to the island's many cultural attractions. Number 3. Dorado Beach, Puerto Rico, a Ritz-Carlton Reserve. Moving on after Hurricane Maria in 2017, the resort has seen several changes. There are just 4 Ritz-Carlton Reserves in the world. Lawrence Rockefeller constructed the Dorado Beach resort decades ago. When it comes to settings, there is none in comparison. Rooms open out onto patios with views of the beach and outdoor showers, while museum-quality artwork adorns the branches of the trees. You'll never forget the 95-year-old ficus at the entrance once you've been there.
Wait, what?
That or the treehouse in the canopy, where you'll receive the best massage of your life. Really, there is no end to the pleasures at Dorado Beach. Number 2. St. Bart's Le Barthélemy Hotel and Spa. Furthermore, Le Barthélemy, an understated beauty, is the resort that takes the second spot on our list. The resort is set between a lagoon and Grand Cul-de-sac Beach on St. Bart's northeastern coast, with vistas of offshore islets and distant St. Martin. Le Barthélemy Resort even features small rectangular plunge pools in some rooms. Aux Amis serves unabashedly modern French cuisine. Here, you're not only surrounded by other jet-setters. For instance, you might want to go kayaking, kiteboarding, or even snorkeling. Well, that would be a problem because water sports enthusiasts have access to a vast stretch of calm, shallow seas. Here, you're not only surrounded by other jet-setters here, you're not only surrounded by other jet-setters. In addition, the resort has a flotilla of 12 sea turtles that survived 2017 storms in residence and are plainly observable. It is a sight to behold. Number 1. Rosewood, British Virgin Islands, Little Dix Bay. Moreover, Rosewood Little Dix Bay, which reopened in early 2020 after an extensive renovation, takes the top spot. Here, witness a beach house come to life in the form of rooms that feature clean lines, earthy color schemes, exposed stone walls, and a plethora of driftwood, coral, and woven baskets. The mid-century modern design matches the ocean theme throughout the property. Every one of the resort's guest rooms, as well as the 1- and 2-bedroom suite, has an outdoor shower and is within walking distance of the beach. In addition, each visitor has a personal butler who is knowledgeable about the island. Despite their similarities in exquisite servitude, each of these resorts in the Caribbean has its own distinct culture that visitors can experience. The resort's diverse landscapes each have their own unique set of traits that distinguish them apart from one another. It's really up to the experience you are looking for. If you enjoyed watching this video, you are sure to enjoy our next top 5 places to stay in Dubai for family vacations.